baby. Okay. Where are they? Okay. Oh, there you guys are. We found you. I found them.
What's up, buddy? What's your name?
I'm Tyler.
Tyler?
Yeah. What's your name?
I'm Danny.
Oh, my name. Oh, what's your name?
My name's Grace.
Oh, hi, Grace. Aww.
Grace, you want to say hi to Tyler?
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Tyler.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, when Daddy used to do this, Dad do it.
What?
Dad says that she's gonna do the baby.
Well, she's going to give you a kiss, Jack.
Yeah, Tyler used to be that big.
Oh.
Do you have any brothers
Oh.
and sisters? Or?
Yeah.
No, just him.
Just them there.
Just him so far.
That was
Grace,
fun.
Yeah.
We found you.
Hi.
Hi.
How old are you?
I'm 5.
Oh, that's what I thought you were. He reminds me so much of their cousin,
Oh, yeah?
except he has blonde hair, but he looks like him.
Yeah, he used to be
I'm
blind.
hot.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Hey, you're hot? Let me see that camera there, buddy.
I look like him.
Yeah?
You look
I
like
look
him,
like
Yeah.
too.
him. My
You
name's
guys have the
Tyler.
same haircut.
My name's Tyler.
Tyler! Great name. Nice to meet you,
Yeah.
Tyler.
What's your name?
Oh, my name's Danielle, and this is Jack and Allison. And they're 6 and 4.
Oh.
Wow, they're right.
No,
Yeah.
I
What-
know.
what's
Alton's
his
4
month?
and 3 quarters
April.
and 9.
Yeah.
Hey guys,
April.
guys, do you want to go wood for crystals?
Oh,
Crystal.
I mean diamonds. Come on.
Crystal. Diamonds.
Yeah, I found diamonds at my
I love it,
daycare.
though.
Come
I
on.
love it. It's just the mindset to it.
Actually, I'm not finding diamonds. Wow. Who is? I have a present for guys. Me too. But whoever lived here must be dead.
Careful, don't waste them.
I'm trying to do that one.
Tyler.
Yeah.
Flowers.
Chill. Hey guys,
Wow, you actually sneezed.
there
Oh. Use that camera, buddy.